Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free beauty and makeup apps for your Android phone. So if you are looking for the same, then do check out this video till the end. First on our bag is face makeup. Here you will get two options, first makeup and other one is editor. Select the photo, now you can adjust the lip color, manage the blush, set the eyeliner, eyelashes, brow, remove acne, eye color, whiten the teeth, oil free, apply filter, add new hairstyle, eyeglasses and hat. After all done, tap here to download it. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our bag is Perfect 365. In this, you can do much things like video edit, AI edit, photo studio and video makeup. Now comes to the main point, select the photo, now you can manage the looks, enhance the eyebrows, glow, manage the face like freckles, expressions and earrings. In lip portion, you can manage the smiles, lipstick and much more. Eyes look also can be enhanced. Also you can manage the body shape and so on. After all done, tap here to save it. And for high resolution save, you have to watch the ad. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is makeup artist. In this, you can learn that how to do makeup for different occasions. The tutorials are great of each content. Also, the tutorials are enough to consume. In article section, you can read the article from vast categories to make more stable in the learning. Also, you can listen the articles. In settings, you can change the language, manage the notification, change the preferences, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our bag is YU Face. Tap on any of them. Now take the current photo of yours or choose from the gallery. Here you can add different lipstick styles, mascara, manage the brows, lenses, foundation, hair dye and decoration. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is skin and face care. This one is best because here you will get some home remedies to glow your skin naturally. Topics are enough like sun safe skin, tan removal, wrinkles treatment, turmeric face mask and so on. It will surely help you to get a desired skin tone at home, and the sessions are great. You can read the article including the pros and cons. And that's all about it. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.